Set 12, 1. Build a sentence prompt. Right. 1. Complete sentence using all the ideas below. Online courses, flexible learning, enhanced skills model answer. Online courses provide flexible learning opportunities that help students enhance their skills at their own pace. To write an email prompt. Email your roommate to discuss dividing household chores fairly. Write 80 to 120 words. Model answer. Hi, Alex. I hope you are doing well. I wanted to talk about dividing our household chores more fairly. Lately, I have been doing most of the cleaning and grocery shopping, and I think it would be better if we split these tasks more evenly. Could we meet tonight to make a schedule that works for both of us? Thank you for your cooperation, and I hope we can make it simple and fair. Best Minjung 3 Academic Discussion Professor's Question. Do you think reading fiction helps improve empathy? Model answer. Yes. Reading fiction helps improve empathy because it allows readers to understand characters, feelings, and perspectives. By imagining different situations, readers can relate to others in real life more effectively. Fiction also encourages critical thinking about human behavior. Set 13-1. Build a sentence prompt. Write one complete sentence using all the ideas below. Public transportation reduced traffic congestion benefit the environment model answer. Public transportation reduces traffic congestion and benefits the environment by lowering carbon emissions. To write an email prompt. Email a friend to plan a weekend study session for an upcoming exam. Write 80 to 120 words. Model answer. Hi, Mia. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to see if you're available this weekend to have a study session for our upcoming biology exam. We could meet at the library on Saturday afternoon and review the main topics together. I think discussing the material will help both of us understand it better. Please let me know if you're free and what time works best. Minjung 3 Academic Discussion Professor's Question. Should schools require students to participate in community service? Model answer. Yes, requiring students to participate in community service helps them develop a sense of responsibility and empathy. It also allows them to connect with their communities and gain practical experience that can be valuable in future careers. Set 14-1. Build a sentence prompt. Write one complete sentence using all the ideas below. Digital tools improve learning efficiency. Support collaboration model answer. Digital tools improve learning efficiency and support collaboration among students by providing platforms for sharing ideas and resources. To write an email prompt, email your lab partner to arrange a time to work on a science project. Write 80 to 120 words. Model answer. Hi, Sam. I hope you are doing well. I wanted to check if you are available this week to work on our science project together. I am free on Wednesday and Thursday afternoons, and I think we should divide the tasks and experiment steps to finish efficiently. Please let me know which day works best for you. Thank you. Best Minjung 3 Academic Discussion Professor's Question. Do you think students should have part-time jobs while studying? Model answer. Yes, part-time jobs can help students gain work experience, develop responsibility, and learn time management. However, they should balance work with academics to avoid stress and maintain good grades. Set 15-1. Build a sentence prompt. Write one complete sentence using all the ideas below. Team projects develop communication skills, enhance problem-solving abilities model answer. Team projects help students develop communication skills and enhance problem-solving abilities through collaboration. To write an email prompt, email your professor to request feedback on a submitted assignment. Write 80 to 120 words. Model answer. Dear Professor Smith, I hope you are well. I am writing to ask if you could provide feedback on my assignment submitted last week. I would like to understand what I did well and what I can improve for future assignments. Your guidance is very important to me, and I want to ensure my work meets your expectations. Thank you for your time and support. Sincerely, Minjung, 3 Academic Discussion Professor's Question. Do you think online learning is as effective as in-person classes? Model answer. Online learning can be as effective as in-person classes if students stay disciplined and actively participate. It offers flexibility and access to resources. But some students may benefit more from face-to-face interaction and immediate feedback. Set 16.1, build a sentence prompt. Write one complete sentence using all the ideas below. Online research save time, access, reliable information, model, answer. Online research saves time and allows students to access reliable information quickly for their studies. To write an email prompt, email your tutor to request extra help on a difficult topic before an exam. Write 80 to 120 words. Model answer. Dear Mr. Allen, I hope you are doing well. I am preparing for the upcoming exam and having difficulty understanding one of the topics we covered in class. Could we arrange a short session where you could explain it to me in more detail? I want to make sure I understand it thoroughly before the exam. I am available this week on Tuesday or Thursday afternoon. Thank you very much for your assistance. Sincerely, Minjung 3 Academic Discussion Professor's question. Some students prefer studying in the morning, while others prefer the evening. Which do you think is better? Model answer. I prefer studying in the morning because I feel more alert and focused after a good night's sleep. Morning study sessions allow me to start the day productively and retain information better. However, some students work better in the evening, so it depends on personal habits. Set 17.1, build a sentence prompt. Write one complete sentence using all the ideas below. Healthy lifestyle, reduce stress, improve productivity, model answer. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle reduces stress and improves productivity by keeping both mind and body in good condition. To write an email prompt. Email your classmate to discuss sharing notes from a lecture you missed. Write 80 to 120 words. Model answer. Hi Emma, I hope you are doing well. I missed yesterday's lecture and wanted to ask if you could share your notes with me. It would really help me understand the key points and prepare for the next class. If it's convenient, maybe we could meet or I could copy them from you. Thank you very much for your help. I really appreciate it. Best Minjung 3 Academic Discussion Professor's question. Do you think students should use laptops in class? Why or why not? Model answer. I think students can benefit from using laptops in class to take notes efficiently and access online resources. However, laptops can also be distracting if used for social media or unrelated activities, so guidelines are important. Set 18.1, build a sentence prompt. Write one complete sentence using all the ideas below. Time management, achieve goals, balance studies, and hobbies, model answer. Good time management helps students achieve their goals while balancing studies and hobbies effectively. To write an email prompt, email your advisor to ask about changing your major and its impact on graduation. Write 80 to 120 words. Model answer. Dear Dr. Lee, I hope you are well. I am considering changing my major and would like to understand how it might affect my graduation plan. Could we schedule a meeting to discuss the required courses and potential timeline? I want to make an informed decision and ensure I stay on track. Thank you very much for your guidance. Sincerely, Minjung 3 Academic Discussion Professor's question. Some people prefer online shopping, while others prefer shopping in stores. Which is better? Model answer. I prefer online shopping because it is convenient, saves time, and allows me to compare products easily. However, in-store shopping can be better for checking the quality of items before purchasing. So both have advantages depending on the situation. Set 19.1, build a sentence prompt. Write one complete sentence using all the ideas below. Reading habits expand knowledge, develop critical thinking, model answer. Regular reading habits expand knowledge and help students develop critical thinking skills. To write an email prompt. Email a professor to request a copy of study materials from a missed lecture. Write 80 to 120 words. Model answer. Dear Professor Johnson, I hope you are well. I missed the last lecture due to illness and would appreciate it if you could share the study materials or any notes I should review. I want to stay up to date and ensure I understand the topics covered. Thank you very much for your time and support. Sincerely, Minjung 3 Academic Discussion Professor's question. Do you think group projects are more beneficial than individual assignments? Model answer. I think group projects are more beneficial because they encourage collaboration and allow students to learn from each other. Working together helps develop communication skills and exposes students to different perspectives, which can improve problem-solving abilities. Set 21. Build a sentence prompt. Write one complete sentence using all the ideas below. Exercise routine boost energy, support mental health. Model answer. Maintaining a regular exercise routine boosts energy and supports mental health by reducing stress and increasing alertness. To write an email prompt, email your roommate to discuss sharing chores for the week. Write 80 to 120 words. Model answer. Hi, Chris. I hope you are doing well. I wanted to discuss dividing our chores for this week so that everything is fair. I suggest alternating tasks, like taking out the trash, cleaning the kitchen, and doing the dishes. Could we meet tonight to create a simple schedule that works for both of us? Thank you for helping make our living space organized and comfortable. Best Minjung 3 Academic Discussion Professor's question. Should students have access to free counseling services at school? Model answer. Yes, students should have access to free counseling services because mental health is critical for academic success and personal development. Counseling can help students manage stress, resolve conflicts, and improve overall well-being. Set 21. Build a sentence prompt. Write one complete sentence using all the ideas below. Public parks encourage physical activity, improve community health. Model answer. Public parks encourage physical activity and improve community health by providing spaces for exercise and recreation. To write an email prompt, email your teacher to request clarification on a confusing homework question. Write 80 to 120 words. Model answer. Dear Ms. Brown, I hope you are doing well. I am writing because I am having trouble understanding one of the questions in our homework assignment. Could you please explain it in more detail or provide an example? I want to make sure I complete it correctly and learn the material thoroughly. Thank you very much for your time and help. Sincerely, Min Jung 3 Academic Discussion Professor's question. Do you think online classes are better than in-person classes? Model answer. Online classes can be better for flexibility and convenience, allowing students to study at their own pace. However, in-person classes offer direct interaction with teachers and peers, which can help clarify difficult topics. Both have advantages depending on the student's learning style.